How's it going, everyone? I'm Mark from Brick Foundation, and today I have something special for y'all. We're going to be doing an unboxing of 2 rare LEGO sets. I've been waiting to do this unboxing for a few weeks now, and I finally have enough time to go ahead and present this to you. And like I said before, these are going to be hard to find, rare LEGO sets. Now, one of these sets is rare because of time. It's been a long time since this has been on the shelf for sale. The other one is rare because of circumstance or controversy. Now that little bit right there should already give you a couple hints as to what set this is. And if you think you already know, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Now the first set that I'm going to be unboxing is the one that's rare because of time. It hasn't been on the shelf since 2010. So let's go ahead and pull it up. Now as you can see, this box has already been opened. I have yet to remove the contents of this box, but I did give my followers on Instagram a sneak peek to see if they could guess which set this was by just seeing this. And surprisingly, few actually did. Let's go ahead and just take this out now. Alright, I'm gonna move this contents. Woo! Here it is. LEGO Racers Lamborghini 560 LP-4. Set number is 8169, and as I said before, this was released back in June of 2009 and retired in December of 2010. So only a run of about a year and a half. And at that time, this set was only going for about $59.99 or $60 US. And now, I paid way more than that. I paid about $279 all in, shipped with tax. Now I know it doesn't reflect this on the box, but the set comes with 741 pieces. Now one of the details you can see from the front of the box is that this is a 2-in-1 set. You can build the spider, or you can build the coupe. There's more information on this on the back. Let's go ahead and flip it over. Now the first variant that it shows is a spider. It shows a maximum speed of 324 kilometers an hour, 560 horsepower from its Lamborghini V10. Again, this is an all-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive vehicle with a 0 to 60 time or 0 to 100 time in 4.0 seconds. Now one of the reasons why this set actually caught my attention was because it was a 2-in-1, and the fact that there was a lot of detail in each build. You didn't just pop off the top of the coupe and then all of a sudden you have the spider version. No, the top actually goes down and gets hidden in the trunk or back where the engine compartment is. And it's shown off here in black tiles to represent the soft top came on the spider version. Okay, moving on to the coupe. Now speed is almost about the same, 325 miles an hour, 560 horsepower for the V10, and we have a little bit faster to 0 to 100 time in 3.7 seconds. And on the coupe version of the Lamborghini, you can remove the rear hood and see the engine. Something I don't believe you can do on the spider version. And the reason why I bought this set in the first place was because I wanted a Lamborghini next to my Ferrari F40 that I enjoyed building so much. I am obsessed right now with LEGO Creator Expert vehicles, and I could not find a Lamborghini variant. And while looking for a Lamborghini, I came upon this LEGO Racers version. Now LEGO Racers was around when I wasn't really into LEGO. I don't know much about the whole LEGO Racers line. So if anybody out there that's watching has this set or knows more about LEGO Racers, let me know some more information about that, please. Why did they stop making it? Or what was the line replaced with? Now I'm not yet ready to go ahead and rip open the box and get to building. Kinda just wanna sit back and stare at it for a little bit. But eventually, I will. I want this next to my Ferrari F40. Okay, moving on. Now the next unboxing is the set that I said was rare because of circumstance and controversy. Let's go ahead and open this one up. Alright, and like the other set I had, I opened up the box just a little bit to give people on Instagram a sneak peek and to see if they could guess which set this was. So far, no one did. So you guys are gonna be my first ones. Here we go. Now this set is pretty special to me only because I really got back into LEGO in 2020 because of all the hassles and shutdowns. And this set kind of just encompasses that. The obsession, the craziness of 2020. So I had to have this as part of my collection. All right, enough talking. All right. It's crazy. This is crazy to actually have this. I'm just gonna kind of sit back and look at it for a little bit. It's the first time that I'm actually holding it. This is crazy. I know all about this set because of all the controversy that happened of why LEGO canceled it, because it's a military vehicle and they have a specific code that they go by. Now, the LEGO Technic V22 had more problems than just being controversial. It actually had fundamental design flaws. But these design flaws actually prevent the set from performing the way it's supposed to. So this set was plagued with poor quality control and poor overall management. Just problems in general. But it is usually sets like these that have so much controversy, quality control, or just overall problems that do become collector items. It's still crazy that this got into production. And not just into production, that was shipped to retailers and sold to the public. An official licensed product from Bell and Boeing together. Now, what I was trying to do originally was do another eBay bidding war. Nobody had this for sale for bidding. Everybody had this for an astronomical price. You know, buy it now from Russia or Australia. So I tried my luck with StockX, put in a number that I was comfortable paying, and somebody accepted. I was actually quite surprised that they did. A set that was supposed to originally cost $130 cost me about 3 times as much. I've watched a ton of reviews online about this specific set and all the functions that it has. And I was like, that's crazy. It's a crazy amount of functions that this set included for the price that it was supposed to be retailing for. Let's take a look at some of the functions that were included in this. Now, the set came with 4 motorized functions. And those were, you could engage the switch and the propellers would start spinning. Now, while the propellers were spinning, you could actually engage the motors to tilt from vertical to horizontal, basically turning it into airplane mode. Now, the third function was the raising and lowering of the landing gear. And the fourth and final function was the lowering and raising of the cargo bay doors. One of the details I liked that I'd never noticed before was the set number on the back of the tail. I just really feel like this is a part of LEGO history that I was actually a part of, that I got to witness, and I really wanted to have it in my collection. I know I'm saying this again, but this is still just crazy to me. I didn't think I was going to be able to get my hands on this thing. But share your comments down in the comments below. What did you guys think about this whole controversy and the fact that LEGO canceled this set? Do you really believe it was from that small peace group in Germany? Or what do you believe that led to LEGO really canceling this set? Alright guys, there you have it. My 2 new rare sets that I'm going to be adding to my collection. Let me know in the comments below, did you enjoy this video? And do you have any more ideas of sets that I could add to my collection or that you would like to see? Alright guys, remember, if you like this kind of content, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel for all the latest LEGO news. I'll see you guys later.